All right, what's up, Fade family? Jarvis Guy and the boy Jarvis YT here, and welcome back to another Diecast review. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Hot Wheels Erikenstein Rod from the 2021 Hot Wheels 55 race team line of cars, which to me is a pretty confusing name because this looks much more like a futuristic vehicle than one that came out in the 50s, but I don't know. It's the Hot Wheels universe. I think they've earned the right to do basically whatever the fuck they want at this point. But yeah, we're doing this video in a bit of a different format than usual. Today we're going to be unboxing the vehicle, so you get to see the actual process of me taking it out of the box. So that should be interesting. Just to mix things up, shake them up a little bit, and without further ado, let's just open this baby up and see what it's all about. Telling you, man, they make these, what are they called, like blister cards, so like people like me can't get into them. Some crazy shit, man. Well, right here we have the Erikenstein Rod, and man, it sure would be nice to have some context about this vehicle, aside from the fact that it's part of the quote-unquote 55 race team, because this looks like this has like jack shit to do with the actual 1950s. One thing I will praise right off the bat is that the car is very uniquely shaped, at least from this side. I mean, when you look at it from the top, it gets a bit uglier, but from the side, this is a pretty interesting shape. It doesn't look like it's part of the norm, and it kind of leaves it up to interpretation whether it's necessarily a truck or a sedan. I assume a truck just because of how the front hood of the vehicle is oversized when you compare it to the thinner main body portion of the vehicle. But again, with this weird sloped back on the side, it leaves you wondering what it is. It's definitely unique, I'll give them that, even if it doesn't make the most sense. And really, let's just talk about that. This is supposed to be a race car, from the 50s, but this doesn't really feel like a 50s car. It just looks like a normal, futuristic, honestly modern day Hot Wheels car. I don't really see the 50s aspect of it. Maybe the rounded corners that you see up here on the hood, but oh, okay. I just took a look at the blister pack, and it says that these iconic liveries celebrate the Hot Wheels 55th anniversary. So this isn't a car from the 1950s. All right, then. But yeah, man, in terms of recommendations, this car came out pretty recently. If I can go back to my document here. It says it came out in 2021. I was able to find this on a Walmart store shelf pretty recently. I think within the past 2 or 3 months. So honestly, man, I'd have to recommend this because it is a pretty unique looking car. Apparently celebrates Hot Wheels' 55th anniversary. Yeah, honestly, man, it's a pretty unique vehicle. It's a bit of a celebratory one, and I'm sure it's going to have some pretty decent value in the future. So I say go ahead and pick it up now while you can still get it for mainline prices. I'm amazed this is from 2021, because I didn't even know they still sold 2021 cars in store shelves anymore. But then again, this Walmart is kind of run like shit, so that might explain it. Either way, I think that'll wrap it up for my review of the Hot Wheels Erikenstein Rod from the 2021 Hot Wheels 55 race team. Pretty cool looking car. Just nice details all around. Really good textured sections. Nice exposed engine, and a really weird truss design. It's a bit of a bohemian car, but I still think it's a pretty decent one to pick up. But yeah, either way, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more Diecast content. And as always, giggity, 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 go. Stick around.